Welcome to JioSh URL. Today, I would like to guide you through the registration process for the JioSh URL website. This registration will enable you to access the various features and services provided by JioSh URL. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type https://geo.sh address in the browser's address bar. Press Enter to load the website. Step 2. Once the website loads, you will be presented with a window. Look for the Register button and click on it to initiate the account creation process. Alternatively, you can also see a Sign Up button on the same page, which will take you to the process of creating your account. Step 3. On the registration page, you will find designated fields where you need to provide your first name, last name, a valid email address, and a secure password. Make sure to re-enter the password to confirm its accuracy. Step 4. Carefully review the terms of service provided by JioSh URL. It is important to understand the terms and conditions, so please take the time to read them. Once you have read and understood the terms of service, tick the checkbox to indicate that you agree to them. Step 5. Finally, click on the Create Account button to proceed with the registration process. JioSh URL will send a verification email to the email address you provided during registration. Step 6. Now, it's time to access your email account. Open your email and locate the verification email from JioSh URL. There are two ways to verify your account. A. Click on the Verify Email Address button in the email. This will redirect you to a confirmation page, and your email verification process will be completed. B. Alternatively, within the email, you may find instructions to copy and paste a link into address bar of any browser to verify your email address. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the registration process for the JioSh URL website. You can now access the various features and services by logging in using your registered email address and password. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask.